Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at a 7.5 magnitude earthquake hitting Peru on November the 28th, 2021. The earthquake hit the Amazon region of northern Peru, with tremors felt throughout central and northern Peru, including the capital Lima, as well as in neighbouring Ecuador. The earthquake hit at a depth of 131 kilometres in the province of Condorcanqui. Residents left their homes as the impact was felt. Electricity outages occurred as power lines were pulled down. Up to 100 buildings were destroyed, with many more damaged. Streets were filled with debris from collapsed walls, blocking roads. Rescue operations are underway to assist affected citizens. Emergency shelters have been set up to help displaced people. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.